Hi everyone. Today I am going to share with you a review on this book, How to Stop Worrying and Start Living by Dale Carnegie. This book has made a lasting impression on me. There are rules given in this book on how to stop worrying and start living. So let's start. Rule number 1 is stop thinking about the past and future. Live each day until bedtime. Friends, do you know the best thing about your past? The best thing about the past is it's over. Do you know the best thing about the future? The best thing about the future is that you can do all the wonderful things that you have never even dreamed yet because you are too busy recalling the past over and over again. Do you want your future to be squarely aimed at your past? No, isn't it? So live each day, every moment, the way you want. After the birth of my second child, I'll share you my experience. I thought that I'll never ever get free time. But now, I enjoy all kinds of works that my kids require me to do. I enjoy their childhood and my motherhood. Friends, our hospitals are reserved for patients with mental and nervous troubles. Patients who have collapsed under the crushing burdens of accumulated yesterdays and fearful tomorrows. Rule number 2 is ask yourself whenever you worry that what is the worst that can happen, and then accept it mentally. Then calmly find out ways and means by which you can improve upon the worst. Whenever our mind worries, our mind moves here and there and everywhere, and it loses its power of decision making. But when we face ourselves with the worst, when we force ourselves to accept the worst, then we place ourselves in a position where we are able to concentrate on the problem. When we accept the worst, we have nothing to lose, which means we have everything to gain. A famous doctor has well said, you do not get stomach ulcers from what you eat. You get stomach ulcers from what is eating you. Rule number 3 is remind yourself of the price you can pay for worry in terms of health. People who do not know how to fight worry die at young age. Research shows that business executives suffer from any one of the 3 ailments, that is heart disease, digestive tract ulcers or blood pressures, due to their high tension living. Majority of the patients suffering from nervous troubles are not due to physical deterioration of the nerves, but due to the emotions of frustrations, anger, anxiety and defeat. The most relaxing and recreating forces are healthy religion, music, sleep and laughter. Rule number 4 is keep busy. Yes friends, to stop worrying, you have to remain busy. Remaining busy doesn't mean that you work for 9 to 6 job and then get fully exhausted and then put on your favorite TV serial and then just wonder that how the daughter-in-law will adjust with the in-laws. Even during lockdown, you can make a timetable for every day. By the timetable, you will get enough time to exercise for healthy mind and body. You will get enough time to work, to remain productive and satisfied. You will get enough time to recreate, to relax, to enjoy music, to play, to have a quality time with your family. And finally, you will have sufficient time to sleep so that you can wake up the next day fresh. Get busy, keep busy. It's the cheapest kind of medicine there on this earth and is one of the best. The rules are not over yet, but the other rules I'll share with you in my next video. So stay tuned and have a happy day ahead. Thank you.